The fashion industry is a beast, in constant need for more and more, new and different. I was working in that industry and it was eating me. For me, it came to a point where I had to choose: do I keep feeding the beast or do I try to stop it? I chose trying to stop it. We settled in this old factory where we handcraft our jeans. We make the world's best denim jeans. At least I think so. Our objective is quite different. Of course, we create a pair of jeans with fantastic look and fit. But for us, the most important thing is the construction, how we craft them together, and how they last a lifetime. So, we only want to sell you one pair of jeans. One pair. If we all, designers, producers, consumers, if we wash them more gently, if we mend and repair, if we begin to see aging fabric and garments as a beauty, then maybe, just maybe, we can tame the fast fashion beast.